The Voice. Honestly, wala akong masyadong maintindihan sa lyrics. Ang fino-focus ko, yung boses niya. Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-brunch and ngayong packet na ako. Naisipan kong mag-army log, which is papanoorin ko lang naman yung bagong music video ni Megan and RM. Andito na ako sa page ni Megan and naka-pause lang siya. Hindi ko pa siya napapanood. So, i-play natin siya and let's see. Medyo nagulat lang ako kasi 2 minutes and 39 seconds lang yung official video. Medyo nasanay ako sa 3 minutes to 4. So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung na-expect ko. Yesterday, nag-check out kami sa store ni Megan for the Neva Play CD. So, kung hindi nyo pa na-check out yung sa inyo, if you're a collector or a Megan fan, and of course, BTS RM fan, and nagkukulik kayo ng mga CDs and everything, check out na kayo. Nasa shop ni Megan yung CDs and nakapag-check out na kami kahapon ng 4. May mga takers na din sa mga nagpasabay sa akin. And all, of course, one for me. So, I'm very excited. And now, panoorin natin yung official music video. Okay. Feeling ko narinig ko na yung rhythm niya somewhere. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong kanta or baka bago naman to, baka yung simula lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, never play is like never play. Akala ko kung anong never. Ayun pala yun. Okay, never play. They're not playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. Time I never been wanna play with. Really talking is my first language. Me and RM gang was talking. Oh, gusto ko yung anime. Feeling ko wala dito si RM. Feeling ko anime lang yung ano niya dito. Teka, tignan nga natin kung may subtitle. Auto-generated lang. Ang bilis niya kasi mag-rap, so hindi ko masyadong ma-follow. Sige. Sexy niya. I don't care. Be there with yourself because you do not exist in my world. 3 things I don't play about myself, my money, and my man. Bitch, you one of them, and best believe I'm gonna be at your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them know we on the way. Counting zeros every day. You know that we never play. The Voice. Oh, shit. Honestly, wala akong masyadong maintindihan sa lyrics. Ang fino-focus ko yung boses niya. Ang baba! That's deep! Ganda talaga ng texture ng boses ni RM. Ang pogi naman ng anime, parang totoo. Ang bitin naman. Teka. Gusto ko makinig nung may lyrics. Meron bang may lyrics? 1, 2, 3, 4. Never play. Gusto ko yung boses ni RM. My gosh. RM, RM's deep voice is everything. Correct. Ang ganda ng boses niya. O, di ba the comments? RM's voice. Oh, wala talaga siya. So, yung anime lang yung part ni RM. I need something with never play. Lyrics. Meron na kaya? Maaga pa eh. Oh, meron na agad. Ang bilis ni ano ha. No, wala pa. Kasi kaka-release lang naman din. Ilang minutes ba? I need the lyrics. I have to search muna sa Twitter. No, sa X app. Because I know, mabilis yung mga armies pagdating sa ganito eh. Eh, bakit kaya hindi ko na lang dito i-search? Ha? I need the lyrics. Mabilis kasi yung armies pagdating sa ganito. So, we need the lyrics. Where's the lyrics? Oh my God! Pero ang sexy talaga ni Megan na. Superb. I need never play lyrics. Never play. Lalo na yung part ni RM kasi hindi ko masyado maintindihan kasi nasa boses niya ako nag-focus. Alright, madami kaming gusto ng lyrics ni RM. Because I can't. Wala pang lyrics, wala pang nag-upload. So, panoorin ulit natin. Because we're sucker for Megan and RM. Last. Sexy? Shucks. Kahit anong gawin kong focus sa lyrics, lunod na lunod talaga ako sa boses niya. Na-miss ko si RM. Mag-birthday na siya. And wala akong mapupuntang event, but I hope ma-celebrate ko. Right? Don't forget to stream, and vote if my votings for Naga Play. And happy birthday, RM. I miss you so much. Bye-bye. Ang dilim na ng video ko. Bye.